Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Let's meet two gorgeous African plants. The first one, probably the one least well known, is this aloe. It's the Cooper's hardy grass aloe. It's Aloe cooperi, not Alice Cooper. It is a true aloe, one of the very few that's winter hardy in zone 7B, as we were for decades, and now we're zone 8A. But it's completely herbaceous, which is different from any other aloe I know, in that the plant dies away in the winter like your daylilies and hostas do, and then return in the spring, and here it's blooming in July. It's not yet in full bloom. There's some numerous flower stalks that are coming up that haven't even started opening. The flowers don't open more than you see right here. Our native hummingbirds will visit these flowers, but they don't occur in Africa, so I suspect other birds pollinate them in their native habitat. It's native to dry, grassy lands in Africa, in the Natal and other places similar to that. And behind is a plant that most of you know. It's a white, actually barely pink, barely blue, Agapanthus called Tall Tom. It's approaching 4 feet in height. A lovely white one, also very drought tolerant. And a neighboring plant is an oregano. It's Origanum, laevigatum, Rosenkuppel, which I believe is German for pink hat, Rosenkuppel. And an interesting little Eryngium behind them, Eryngium, eriophorum, which Mark Wethington of the J.C. Ralston Arboretum collected in South America. A lovely thing, I don't think it'll ever be a showstopper as many Eryngiums are, but an interesting thing and a lovely blue. Well, thank you for your time. Well, I should say, these are all sun and very drought tolerant plants. Late in the afternoon, this crevice garden faces east. Well, actually all day long it faces east, but late in the afternoon it's shaded. But for the first half or more of the day, it's full sun, and the drainage is very sharp. So these are things very well suited to a dry, sunny area. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.